Welcome to C's Animal Corner. Here are funny, cute, and interesting animal videos I found online. The caption explains it well enough, but I'm still surprised the man was nice enough to give the dog a freebie. I'm always surprised at seagulls just mimicking other animal cries. It's not cheating if you can understand the rules to begin with. Try to guess what animal she's looking for and leave it as a comment. No cheating though.
Where's she gone? Where's she gone? Where's she gone? Here she is. Here she is. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you coming out? Come on then, let's get up. The day's started. No.
The video is a bit misleading, but this is a hotel that allows you to see captive wolves up close. Basically a zoo hotel, but only for wolves. My cat does that too in hers, but that one's made out of felt. I didn't expect cats to play with a plastic bowl, and even less to do it for 20 minutes according to the original poster. This man found a litter of ferrets on a path. This person let a hen hatch a peacock egg. Honestly, just a dog being a good boy and greeting other biker. And for comparison, a cat going on a ride. It's always a surprise to me seeing cows act like puppies. This is a gray fox that just casually climbed this eagle's tree and ended up in its nest. Apparently a sea otter around Vancouver Island has gotten too attached to humans and likes to take a ride on their kayaks. Seems like you don't really care much who presses the buttons.
接着来。
Seems like an elephant at a sanctuary is making sure the caretaker isn't washed down the stream. This dog locked himself in a car, but the owner makes them jealous with another dog. Seems a bit scary at first, but I guess he only wanted to climb a human. This little stingray knows some tricks, and I even think he managed to lose the shark by going under the boat.
Holy shit! Whoa, mate!
It's taunting me. He's riding the wave home. I think we all played that at one point. The look of betrayal in the dog's eyes. Sloths only poop by climbing all the way down trees and smashing their butts into the ground, and I imagine that's when her baby fell off, but luckily a passerby helped. I'd imagine the dog's probably annoyed at all the noise, but hey, he's getting the exercise in. This kite had a bit too much stress and is playing dead. The caption says it well, but the ending makes me think maybe he's doing this because he thinks he gets treats for it.
Do not do that. Stop it. I want you to be a nice boy. Stop. Stop. Okay, you just can't make wise choices right now. Are you going to need to go back in your house? Because I feel like your enclosure is calling your name because you're not being kind. No, don't do it. No, no. God damn it. No. God, Jesus. Okay, there's no stopping him. There's no freaking stopping him. Look at this. You gotta be kidding me. Seamus! Okay, you're going into your house because you cannot be kind today, sir. No, that is not nice. We like to swim in the pool. I know, it bothers you. I love you so much, though, but that was not a kind choice. Let's make good decisions, okay? Try to make good decisions. I gotta move that back now, and it's quite heavy. Now, my toes are not treats. Let me get you some extra treats.
Honestly, just a nice and good dog. Cats really don't like the smell of durian fruits. And for last, some extreme dog reactions to going for a walk. As always, for the uncut video, follow the link in the description.
Penny, you sure you want to eat right now? I was thinking about going for a walk.
This is how we tell her. We just thought the world should see this.
Going for a walk.
Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for weekly animal compilations, and hopefully I'll see you soon.
Go outside.
Ha 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 ha!